Hi friends, I am your Joel John, and in this video I am going to talk to you about why IIT Indian Institute of Technology is being the top choice of engineering aspiring students. And the reason is they are the best education they are getting, they have the best placement track record with very high salaries. And the reason why companies place these pass out graduates at a very high salary is these institutes were initially started with the motivation to bring in a high level of technologically sound people than other engineers. That's why the government started the IIT at Kharagpur on 1951, and then followed by IIT Bombay in 1958 and IIT Chennai, the third one, in 1951. The government funds several times higher money than other engineering institutions which it runs, so they have better facilities, and so the fees for student is high, so the income is also high, but there are a lot of scholarships. They mainly concentrate on picking up the best students through JEE, which is mostly on par with the CBSE and CASE students, but the competitiveness is much higher. Only a very few percentage of students get selected, so they are shortlisting the best, so the best will perform in a better way, so they get a better results. That's why the companies mainly search for the best people who have very good understanding and problem solving and analytical skills. That's one of the main reasons for getting a better salary. And now there are about 23 IITs in India. I will talk about some of the highly paid packages for IIT students. The leading is IIT Kharagpur with 1.4 crores and 1 crore, and the average goes 15 lakhs to 13.5 lakhs. Then Delhi has about 1.4 crores record, and IIT Karaoke has about 1.39 crores per annum record, and average is itself 20 lakhs. And IIT Bombay as well 1.39 crores per annum being the toppest salary, and 27 lakhs being the average, and in metros the average is 12 to 28 lakhs per annum. Then we have IIT Indore with 16.6 lakhs per annum, and Gandhinagar IIT with about 16.3 lakhs per annum as average salary, and IIT Guwahati with about 15.57 lakhs as average salary. And these are and IIT Mandi with 27 lakhs as the average salary. These are some of the top salaries of IIT graduates. The reason why I mainly talk about these top salaries is that's the main reason students prefer these institutes, right? We all need a better salary and a better package, and they are given this better package only because the competitiveness of the students are high, the syllabus is different, and also the infrastructure is different. Top companies have their incubation center there, so the students have the online part tie with the research going on and the development going on the industrial level, and also they have an IIT alumni centers placed which will be acting as a forum of interaction between those who passed out in IIT and have a good industrial exposure and those who are getting education there. So that's a kind of a setup they have. And apart from this, to talk about this kind of premier institution, we have a lot of topics which we'll be discussing in future. And as I said earlier, the funding is much higher here, so they can give much better facilities, and also the students who are selected are the best will give the better performance. So this is the small concept there. I can written it like top performing students, best quality of education and infrastructure, top placement cells where the top company is visiting the for campus placement. So obviously top companies pay the top best package. When you look about companies, you have Microsoft, TCS, Intel, so on, so many companies, even ISRO visits, and that kind of competitive environment is there. And then the salary depends on the problem solving and interview performance of the candidates. And I will be posting a lot of videos, not for IIT students, definitely I am not that some knowledge, but still I will be posting interview topics on general, and I am sure that even if you are an IIT aspirant, you will be having someone who is looking for a job in a BPO, who is looking for a job in a sales domain, and you may be in IIT and you will be thinking about getting into IIM. At that time you may need some other knowledge to be there, because the world is education system is like that. All engineers are not financially literate. until they take the extra care and go to read the finance journals and magazines. I have a lot of finance topics posted, like banking related, credit card, e-wallets. You have your Paytm, PayZap, all those, right? So those kinds of topics you can have a look at in my videos. Hope it will be useful for you. And also I propose videos on various topics. Now getting into my personal part to talk about that. And another one thing is like. And as a YouTube blogger, my request is subscribe to my channel, and also ask your friends to subscribe first, because you know that YouTube's monetization policy, until we get 1,000 subscribers, they won't pay us anything, and 400 watch hours should be there. Watching or not watching is your choice, and based on the content and the video which I present. But still, at least subscribe so that you will get all the updates. And I will also be moving towards monetization. That's my humble request to you. Share it on your social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and also ask your friends to subscribe whenever you speak. Subscribe to Joel's channel. He is giving a lot of content and he wants to make money out of YouTube, so support him. That's a request. And a lot of topics about IIT I have prepared, which will be coming up on part by part as various topics, and I am going to talk much about mutual funds, insurance, and so on, and also some other interesting topics like facts about India and Tamil Nadu we have seen. We will be soon saying facts about other states and cities, and also now a lot of natural videos also will be posted soon. It's going to be a multi-dimensional channel. Whatever I discover interesting, I will post it here. Okay, and thanks for watching, and subscribe and ask your friends to subscribe. It's time to say bye for you. And another one information is I have improved my quality of videos by purchasing a new Vivo V15 phone, and also got a stand for that so that I can be free when I am talking to you. A lot of people said that my video cameras are shaking, so there is no clarity and we are getting disturbed when watching the video. I feel really bad about that. Until I show those to my friends in my friend circle, no one commented on that on comment box. I never thought of that. And I also got a board. I'll be getting 2 more boards as well, so that I will be having a view on what I speak, and the flow will be good in future videos. That's a promise I can give it to you. And as you know, we are all putting our own money and bringing up all this. And to get this back, you have to subscribe, and you have to ask your friends to subscribe. And whenever you find an interesting video, please watch and share it with your social media and friends. It's time to say bye from you. It's a Joel J signing off from you. Bye. Cheers.